we have Mark Twain, and we don't have anything for the rest.
Okay, and those are incorrect. Christopher, do you have?
We have no answers.
Okay. So for A, Rudyard Kipling. For B is Lewis Carroll. C is Washington Irving. And D is Edgar Allan Poe.
We just did both on art and literature.
Did you? Yeah. So a better strategy there would just be to, you can say Mark Twain for all of them, or something like that. At least you have a guess, you might hit one, you never know,
Right.
okay?
Doesn't hurt to make this.
Doesn't hurt, yep. All right, next toss-up. The phrase, of the people, by the people, for the people, is stated in what well-known speech?
I have a drink speech.
Incorrect, but great guess. Kyla? It is the Gettysburg Address. Good job. Kyla, did you know that, or did you question it? Both. Make sure you're buzzing. Remember, even if you have a good guess, buzz. All right. Your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of math. Divide the following. A, 525 divided by 25. B, 429 divided by 3. C, 450 divided by 30. D, 612 divided by 17.
Could you repeat C, please?
C, 450 divided by 30. All right, that's time pencils down. Christopher, I'm ready for your answer.
For A, we have 21. For B, we have 143. For C, we have 15. And for D, we have 34.
Okay, A, B, and C are correct for 15 points. You guys have an answer for D. For D? No. Okay, you were close on D. It was 36. All right. Next toss-up is another math toss-up. We'll have 10 seconds. If you were to bisect a 92-degree angle, how many degrees are the resulting two angles? Anybody? Nope. Okay, so you guys know. Sorry, go ahead.
43 degrees.
You were close. You were close. 46. So bisect is just cut in half, right? So you're just dividing 92 in half.
By meaning 2.
All right. Next toss-up. In a Grimm's fairy tale, this strange little man helps a miller's daughter spin straw into gold. Time. Okay. Rumpelstiltskin. Has heard of Rumpelstiltskin? No?
Did you?
I know, for sure.
All right, next toss-up. I think someone's gonna get this one. The Europeans call it association football. What do we call it? That's one.
Soccer.
Soccer is correct. Good job. All right, and your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of science. A, into what phylum are the vertebrates classified? B, what term is used to describe animals whose temperature changes with the environmental temperature? C, what type of body temperature do amphibians have? D, what is the term for the process of a snake shedding its skin?
have chordata. For B, we have reptile. For reptile. For C, we have cold. And for D, we have no answer.
Okay, can you be more specific on C?
Cold-blooded.
All right, A and C were correct for 10 points. Do you guys have answers for B or D, Aiken?
For B, we have reptiles, and for D, we have molting.
Okay, molting is correct for 5 points. So what term is used to describe animals whose temperature changes with the environmental temperature? It's cold-blooded, same thing. Okay. Okay. All right, next toss-up. What does capital P on a U.S. coin stand for? Anybody know that one? Ethan, go ahead.
The president?
That was a great guess. Thank you for guessing. And who buzzed on?
Rowan.
Rowan.
Rice?
Great guess. It was actually Philadelphia. That's where the coins are minted.
There's a P and a D.
All right, next toss-up. What is 1/10 of a dollar?
10 cents.
Is that her? Okay, 10 cents is correct. Good job, Leslie. 10 cents. All right, and your bonus, Christopher, is a spelling bonus. Spell the following words. A, circumstantial. B, glamour. C, allege. D, impartial. All right, that's time. Ready when you are, Christopher.
For A, we have CIRCUMSTANTIAL. For B, we have GLAMOUR. For C, we have ELEDGE. And for D, we have IMPARTIAL.
Okay, A, B, and D were all correct for 15 points. Aiken, do you have an answer for C?
No.
All right. So, 55 to 10.
Yeah.
Yep, okay, got it. All right.
He would have to not.
Oh, I got you. Okay. All right, next toss-up. On July 20th, 1969, astronauts first planted a U.S. flag on the moon in an area called the Sea of blank. Rowan. Great guess, Vanessa. Any guess, Vanessa? Okay, it was the Sea of Tranquility. Sea of Tranquility. It is.
Like every year that comes up at least twice.
I know. All right, next toss-up. Which country consists of the northern third of the island of Great Britain? Two buzzes, one. Okay,
United Kingdom?
incorrect.
Ireland?
Incorrect. It's actually Scotland. Scotland. All right, next toss-up is a math toss-up. Pencils ready? What is 4 factorial? Anybody get close? 24. 24 is the answer there. Next toss-up. What is the date of Flag Day? Rowan.
Which story?
Great answer, but incorrect. Thank you for answering.
Good
Great
guess.
answer. It's actually June 14th. June 14th. I appreciate you guys trying and buzzing in. All right. Next toss-up. Who won the first World Series in 1903? Rowan?
The Yankees?
Great guess. Incorrect.
The Cardinals?
Incorrect. Great guess. It was the Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox. Okay, so,
That should be,
I know. Do you want to do that or do you want to keep it? It's up to you.
I don't have any substitutes in. If you have any substitutes that you want to put in, we can, or
I do have one. Okay,
put them in that.
that was the first 15 questions, which constitutes the first half, even though we only had 4 correctly answered. So we're gonna go ahead and switch our subs out, okay? So Adriana, if you would please go in for writing. You and Riley, you good.
And we have an Adriana and a Riley,
Oh, really?
but I can't trip them out.
Nice job.
You okay? All right. We shouldn't have moved any buzzers there. We should be good on buzzers. That's 4 on the other side. Let's go ahead with our next toss-up. What is the smallest continent? I have 2 buzzers. Australia? Australia is correct. Good job. Good job. And your bonus, Aiken, is in the area of language. Okay? A, B, and C. What are the 3 degrees of comparison for modifiers? D, what degree is the word largest in this sentence? New York is the largest city. All right, pencils down, guys. Aiken, I'm ready when you are.
For A, we have adverb, for B, we have adjective, and that's the only ones we have.
Okay. Good guess, those are incorrect. Christopher, do you have answers for C or D?
For D, we have city. For A, B, and C, we have no answer.
Okay. So they were looking for the 3 degrees of comparison of modifiers, positive, comparative, and superlative. And then what degree is the word largest in this sentence? It's superlative. Okay? Oh, really? Oh, really? All right, next toss-up is a math toss-up. What is the cubed root of 8? 1 buzz. Rowan.
16.
Incorrect. You guys have, they have 3 seconds. So. Anything down there? Okay. The cubed root of 8 is 2. 2 times,
When they do a math class, they still get a 3?
they get 3 still.
Okay.
Yeah. So the cubed root of 8 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. All right. Next toss-up.
No, I think what you're saying is, you have questions for 2 seconds.
Yeah.
I think that what you're saying.
Yeah, I didn't know because the regular toss-ups are like 5. I didn't know
Right.
if they got extra.
She's talking about like the additional 3.
Okay,
seconds
okay,
that they get.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Next toss-up. Where is Earth's magnetosphere the strongest?
North Pole.
Can you be more specific?
Antarctica.
Okay, sorry. I don't know that. I guess it's down here. You were right on it. It's just the poles. It's the North Pole and the South Pole is the only issue.
You had Antarctica and the North Pole, but you know, you were in the right 2 places.
All right.
Good guess, mate.
Next toss-up. What is the technique of conveying emotions, actions, feelings by gestures without speech that dates back to the ancient Greeks? And one.
Rowan.
Rowan. Miming is correct. Very good. Pantomime or miming. Good job. You learned it fast.
Alternate questions.
Maybe, yeah. All right, so your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of history. Give the military time for each standard time. A, 1 p.m., B, 9:30 p.m., C, 6 a.m., or D, 12 a.m. And that's time left. Do you have any answers?
For A, we have 1,300 hours. For C, we have 0,600 hours. For D, we have 2,400 hours.
Nothing for B?
No.
Okay. A, C, and D are correct. A can give anything for B. That's incorrect. It's 21:30. 21:30. You're close. Good guess. All right. And your next toss-up. What is the name of the trophy given to the National Hockey League champion?
Time.
The Stanley Cup. The Stanley Cup. You guys knew it after I said it, right? All right, next toss-up. What is the youngest branch of the U.S. military created soon after World War I?
The National Guard.
Incorrect, but great guess.
Air Force.
Air Force is correct. Good job. That's why you take a guess, right?
Only 4.
Yeah.
Well, just 5 minutes. Take a
All right, next bonus. Christopher is in the area of government. Answer the following. A, name the party with the most votes would elect the blank leader.
It doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
Could you repeat?
Yeah, well, hold on. This question makes no sense. You want to skip that one? Yeah. I mean, I understand that this is a
Which way to go?
yeah. And we're gonna throw out this
Let's
question.
spit it out.
We're gonna go on to the next one, which is a spelling bonus, okay? Spelling bonus.
You can do spelling that.
Spell the capitals of the following states. A, Florida. B, Arizona. C, Montana. D, Idaho.
Could you please repeat, C?
C, Montana. Okay, that's good with me. All right, ready for your answers, Christopher?
For A, we have TALAHASSEE. For B, we have PHOENIX. For C, we have no answer. And for D, we have BOISE.
Read. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are gonna have to count all those incorrect. All right, Aiken, do you have answers for A, B, C, or D?
For A, we have TALLAHAS. And for B, we have PHEONIX. And for D, we have BOISD.
I'm gonna look something up real quick, because I know this. That's what I think.
Right there, right there it is.
No, I typed that. We don't have to discuss it. Spell A for me again.
APALLAHSSCE.
No, and,
Incorrect.
and this as well.
Yes. Okay, so the reason, Christopher, that you got those wrong,
As
I'm
well as
sorry,
you guys.
as well
some
as
of
you guys, is because you have to say capital. You realize that after you did it. didn't you?
Since it is the capital and it's a proper noun, capital T, capital P, when you spell the word.
Christopher, minus the capital, you had a couple of those right.
You had a Phoenix and
Boise.
Boise. You guys had Boise right as well. Phoenix should have been as well.
Okay. Next toss-up, we're gonna move on, it's a math toss-up, so 10 seconds. Pencil threading. Multiply 225 by 2.8. 2 and 8 tenths. Anybody? Make close, I was trying to know what to do. 630. 630, are you close down there? I heard it. Yeah. All right, next toss-up. Name the Harriet Beecher Stowe novel written in 1852. Very good, good job. All right, Aiken, your bonus is in the area of geometry. A, B, C, and D. Name 4 of the 5 polygons which belong to the family of quadrilaterals. All right, Matt, I'm ready when you are.
For A, we have square. For B, we have rectangle. For C, we have diamond. And for D, we have nothing.
Okay, square and rectangle are both correct for 10 points. Christopher, do you have 2 other answers?
For A, we have octagon, and for B, we have trapezoid.
Trapezoid is correct for 5 points. The other ones you could have guessed are parallelogram and rhombus. Okay. All right, the score right now is 85 to 30 in favor of Christopher. I'm sorry, I know that scoreboard's where you guys can't really see it, so I meant to try to update you on that. All right, next toss-up. Get your buzzers ready. What is the only U.S. state named for a French king? I had one buzz. Kyla.
Louisiana.
Louisiana is correct. Good job, Kyla. All right, and your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of history. Identify each of the following concerning the United States. A, the motto adopted on July 30th, 1956. B, the national anthem. C, the national bird. D, one of the 2 states in which the capital city is located.
Repeat that.
A, the motto adopted on July 30th, 1956.
Could you repeat D, please?
D, one of the 2 states in which the capital city is located.
For A, we have no answer. For B, we have the Star Spangled Banner. For C, we have the bald eagle. And for D, we have Virginia, Maryland.
Okay. B, C, and D are all correct for 15 points. Aiken, do you have an answer for A?
No.
Okay. So, the motto adopted in July 30th, 1956 is "In God We Trust." In God We Trust. Okay. Good job.
That's all I know.
All right, next toss-up. What American coin is said to be worth 2 bits? Anyone buzz? Incorrect, but great guess. We still use that, sorry. Okay, great guess. It's the quarter. I'm glad you guys guessed, because there aren't that many coins to choose from.
Yeah, that's right.
Glad you took a guess.
There's only a few coins, so just guess it anyway.
Yep. All right, next toss-up. Name the part of the cell that makes proteins from...
Ribosome.
I'm sorry?
Ribosome.
Ribosome is correct. Good job, Adriana. All right, and your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of geography. Answer the following about Canada. A, what is the capital? B, what is the name of the national anthem? C, what animal is the national animal? And D, what is pictured on the Canadian flag?
We have our answers.
All right, simple down, ready, move on.
For A, we have Newfoundland. For B, we have O Canada. For C, we have no answer. And for D, we have a Maple Leaf.
Okay, B and D are correct for 10 points. Aiken, do you have answers for A or C?
A, C.
For A, he put Rome, and for C, we have nothing.
Okay. That's incorrect. So the capital is Ottawa, and the animal is the beaver.
I knew that.
You knew it.
It's not the moose. I don't think it's the moose.
Not the
The
biggest.
moose would make sense, wouldn't it? All right, next toss-up. What city and state is the largest bottle of ketchup in the world located? Anyone know? That's fine. It's okay. That's fine. It's okay. You guys have to. You want to take a guess? Yeah.
Texas.
I think you've been
Great guess. It's actually Collinsville, Illinois. Collinsville, Illinois.
Hey, that's a good guess, that's
That
true.
was
That's
a
a really
good
good way to
guess.
think about it. I think bigger Texas.
Right.
But haven't you been there?
Yes, I've been there.
Okay.
All right, next toss-up. Get your buzzers ready. Everyone ready? What graduate of North Carolina always wore his blue North Carolina shorts under his Bulls uniform for good luck?
Number 1. Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan is correct. All right. And your bonus,
I didn't know you did that.
Aiken, is in the area of literature. Give the home country, guys, you gotta be quiet over there. Shh, gotta be quiet over there. Give the home country of these authors. A, William Shakespeare. B, Edgar Allan Poe. C, Miguel Cervantes. D, James Fenimore. All right, A is correct with England. So this is kind of in the same category as that last question when I said if all else fails, just say one country for all of them. Okay, so like USA for everything or England for everything. So Edgar Allan Poe is actually from the United States. Cervantes